Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe today. I am doing okay. So do you guys want to do a little bit of yarn and talk? I have some mystery boxes, and you all know I love a good mystery, especially when it's yarn. From Lion Brand, I don't know when it was, last week or something, they had some mystery boxes for $19.95, and I've gotten Lion Brand's mystery boxes like every time they have them. I get them. I did buy 5 of them, and most of the time, I can't say it always, 99.9% of the time, they're always going to be the same. But I always say maybe, just maybe, there's one that's going to be different. It's worth a try, right? Let's see what's in them. I love opening mystery boxes. Some of the most fun videos that I do is a good mystery. It's raining. From Lion Brand. Let me cover up my address here. Alright. I guess it doesn't matter. I don't even live here. Okay. I don't even live here. But I have my yarn center because I do my YouTube stuff here. Alright. Come on, scissors. I got the ball scissors known to man. Anyways, usually Lion Brand's mystery boxes are pretty good. I mean, I keep buying them, so obviously, I like them or something because I keep buying them. So I'm going to show you what I got, and it's going to be a good time for me. Hopefully a good time for you. Oh, they're not boxes, they're bags. They're bags. Sometimes they come in boxes, and sometimes they come in bags. Well, the first one usually sets the pace for all of them. But let's see what we got, because it's always fun. I hope I got some basic stitch in here. I like that basic stitch stuff, but we'll see what we got. Oh, there's a pound of love in there. I can feel it. I can feel the love. I can feel it in there. Okay, I'm trying not to cut open any yarn. It's so much fun. Isn't it fun? It's fun. This looks like the mystery boxes they had for Valentine's Day. I don't know if you guys remember those. That's what I got. Well, similar. So I got a pound of love in this neutral color. I like their pound of love. I have no problem with it. It's got 1,020 yards of medium weight, 100% acrylic. It's a little on the thin side. It's a thin medium weight. We'll say that. But it's nice. I did get basic stitch in this pink. I have about 40 balls of it already. But hey, what's another 3? Possibly a lot more in there. Anyways, I do like this pink, and I do like the basic stitch. It's very nice too. It's anti-pilling. I have a lot of projects made out of it. Hot pink. It's a 4-weight as well, acrylic. And then I did get this, which I have had before. It's the Lion Brand Landscapes Fusion. I love their landscapes. I'm not a huge fan of the Fusion. Not that it's a bad yarn, because it's a very, very nice yarn. It's just like the regular landscapes, except for it's too busy for me. It's a variegated like that. See how those short variegated stripes? I'm not into busy yarns, but it's still a very nice yarn in general. So I like it, but I just don't like that it's a variegated yarn, I guess. How about that? I'm not big on variegated. Pretty. So, any bets in the comments? Any bets in the comment section? Am I going to have... Are they all going to be the same? Are they all going to be the same? I'm going to say... Yes. I'm going to get it 1 pound of love. That's a different color. But the rest will be the same. It's still fun. I don't care if they're all the same. It's still fun. It's still fun. And we got the 3-pack of pink basic stitch, and the 3-pack of landscapes, and the same color of pound of love. Okay, 2 the same. 2 down, 3 to go. Come on, come on. No whammies, no whammies. Cut. I watch the Game Show Network. I like it. Okay. Let's change. It's the same. It's the same. It's okay. They're always the same. We got our pound of love. We got our 3 hot pink basic stitches. I think I have I probably have a whole ton of them. And then we got our 3 Lion Brand Landscape Fusions. It's very pretty. Orange with gray and white. But a very busy yarn. Alright, we're moving on. 3 down, 2 to go. Come on, come on, come on. Let's do this. These are leftovers from the Valentine's Day. Well, the Valentine's Day, I think, had a pink pound 11. I think it did. I think it did. Oh, it's different. It's different. You guys thought it was, didn't you? And I got another pound of love. And 3 more Landscape Fusions. And 3 more basic stitch acrylics. My. 1 left. And then she's done. This is my last chance. This is my one shot. Here I go. I'm just messing around. I know it's gonna be the same. I don't care. I know they are when I buy them. It's fun. It's still fun. Because I have gotten different ones. Not very often, but every once in a while. And I got another pound of love in the same color. I like brown though, so any color brown. So I like those pound of love. And I love this basic stitch. I just have a lot of the pink from past mystery boxes. They threw those pinks in there quite a bit. And I knew it. I knew it. What did you guys think? Did you know it was going to? You didn't know it was going to be this. You can't tell me you knew that this was what was going to be in this last bag. You didn't know. You didn't know. What a fun video. So, everybody always asks me, what am I going to do with all this yarn? I'll probably donate it. That's what I do with it. I donate my yarn. I give it away. I make tutorials with it. I put it in mystery boxes sometimes. Haven't done that in a while, but that's what I do with my yarn. I put it in totes and look at it. No, I'll use some of that you see in totes right there. I'll use, and some of it I have separated to donate locally. Locally, I donate locally, not like just to any random person. I'll donate into my community locally, my local community locally. You know, like here around my area, local. I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh, and I put it in giveaways sometimes. So, on that note, I hope you had a good time. It's always fun opening mystery boxes, even when they're all the same. It's still fun to open them on camera, isn't it? I think it's a blast. I think it's fun to share it with you guys. You guys don't ever have to watch me. But for those of you that stuck around and you're still watching me, I got a surprise for you. Do you guys want to win some of this yarn? You want to have a giveaway? Here's the rules, though. You watch me from beginning to end. I'm a really, really eccentric, nerdy person. And if you can stand to watch me, it's been 9 minutes already, you deserve to try to win some of this yarn. Because I can't even stand to watch my videos for that. I can't even stand to watch my own videos. How anybody watches me is beyond me. But if you stood this long and you watched me, now let's throw some yarn in a box for a giveaway. How about it? Let's do it. Don't mention giveaway in the comment though. It's a secret giveaway. Secret, okay? It's for those of you that can stand to even look at me and watch me for this long. All right. Here we go. Let me grab this box back up. I know this is too big, but let's see what we can give away. Want to? Let's see. I'll give away a couple of these pounds of love. A couple of these bags of I just totally missed that box. Okay, 2 pounds of love, 6 basic stitches. You can have all these, 1, 5, 15 balls of landscapes, Lion Brand Landscapes Fusion. But just a second. Don't go. Packade's got more. That box isn't even full yet. Just give me a second. Alright, so I'll tell you what I did. I took one of my gold Santa sacks and I went over to one of my shelves over there because I'm trying to empty them off, and I swiped what was left on that shelf into a Santa sack. I don't know what's in it. Do you guys want to look? I didn't pay that much attention. I just swiped it all into the sack. Alright, but don't worry. It's going to be good, I hope. Let's see what we got here. 2 things of Premier Muir Woods. It's a nice yarn. I don't know if those are the same color or not. Steelhead and Sierra. They're not. I'm sorry. It's just what was on the shelf. They're not the same color, but they look similar. But you can see one is darker than the other. I apologize for that. So you got those. Oh, I got some Red Heart, whatever this stuff's called. You guys know it. Hygge Hot Pink. It's a nice yarn. But I prefer Caron Latte Cakes, but it's still nice. I like the hot pink. I have 3 of those. Going in the box. There was some ice yarn I seen on the shelf. One of my favorite ice yarns that they have, actually. Elena Bella in this beautiful colorway. There were 4 of them on the shelf. So, and then it looks like there's more Landscape Fusions that I must have bought at a previous date. Probably when they first came out. I don't know. But let's see what we got. No one wants that one's messed up. You guys don't want that one. Okay. We got this pretty one. I have a hat made out of this. This is actually really pretty worked up. It's very busy, but the rainbow is very pretty on that one. So that was on the shelf. This is another Landscape Fusions that was on the shelf. And then I have 2 the same color here that was on the shelf. Yeah. Looks like there's some cotton on the shelf. What's on the shelf, man? Come on, tell me what was on the shelf. You guys ever see that movie with Brad Pitt and Morgan Freeman? And yeah, I watched that the other day. He's like, "What's in the box, man? Come on, tell me what's in the box." All right, Peaches and Cream, 100% cotton. We got 2 greens going into the box. Some of these labels are just a little bit crunched up. I hope that's okay. We have 2 Christmas ones. This one's Premier Home cotton. It's 85 cotton, 15 polyester blend. Pink, 2 pink. And then we got the Sugars and Cream, which is just like Peaches and Cream pretty much, 100% cotton. 2 of those, and these are the baby colors, kind of. I like that. It'd be cool for like a baby bib. Oh, I got a nice bib pattern on my channel. You should check it out. Oh, this one's pretty. This looks kind of vintage and old. Oh, these are different. Different, but they look the same. They look the same, but they're different. Some of these probably aren't even made anymore. I don't know. They could be, I guess. Just a Sugar and Cream. 100% cotton. Butter Cream Ombre. That's beautiful. And then this one is Sugar and Cream Pastel Delight. Sky rocketing flight. Pastel Delight. Okay, those 2. Oh, here's another Peaches and Cream. It is orange. Okay, and then I have this Tangier. This is nice. Cascades Tangier. It's 53 silk, 17 cotton, 16 acrylic rayon blend. 220 yards. It's pretty. I have that. And I do have this one. Now, I'll put it in here, but if you don't want it, you don't have to take it. It's a full ball, but it's missing a label. It's the same thing. It's a different color, though. See how this one has the blue in it? And this does not have the blue in it. I don't know what color it is because it doesn't have a label, but I do know it's a completely full ball. The label just got ripped off. So I'll definitely throw this in here, and if the winner does not want this one because it's missing a label, please tell me, and I will take it out and donate it, put it in my donate box. Okay, I don't know how many balls of yarn that was, but it was a lot of yarn. So, what do you have to do to enter? Well, what do you have to do to enter? Okay, so when you leave a comment, you have to say something specific so I know that you watched my video to the end. Don't say giveaway in it at all, okay? Or I'll delete it. Don't say thank you for the giveaway. Don't say anything like, oh, you know, anything that insinuates I'm giving away yarn in this video, okay? Don't say anything that insinuates other than it being an unboxing. But somewhere in your comment, I want you to tell me if you know what movie I was referring to earlier in the video when I said, did you ever see that movie with Morgan Freeman and Brad Pitt? And he's going, what's in the box, man? Tell me, what's in the box? You either tell me the name of that movie, or you say, I don't know the name of that movie. Or something along the lines of nonchalantly, I've never seen that movie. Or, yes, that movie is blah. Or you could just say, yes, I have seen that movie and I like it. Just something like that, you know, nonchalantly, that we're not going to give it away, that it's a giveaway. That way, you know, not a lot of people enter. More chances for you guys, the guys that can stand to look at me for this long and listen to me talk and who like to talk yarn with me. All right, so you know the rules, right? You can look at them in the comment section too. It'll have a end date and a begin date, or begin date and an end date. I appreciate you so much for watching my videos from start to finish. And that's a nice box of yarn. You know, it's a lot of yarn there. See, feel that box up nicely. I won't sit in that box. That box is wet on the bottom. I'll find a different one. But anyways, remember, say whatever you want. Don't mention anything on the lines of this being a giveaway. Just nonchalantly say something about that movie that I mentioned earlier with Brad Pitt and Morgan Freeman. Say, yes, I've seen it. No, I've seen it. Or, oh, that was a cool movie. You know, just anything like that. Or, man, I really like to see that movie. Anything about a movie. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Just something. That way I know that you actually listened. And you know, that's what means the most to me. That you listen to me. My kids and my pets sure don't. Thanks everybody for watching. I love you all, okay? Stay safe.